Hey everyone, I'm Calvin Jules Dimaaspak from St. Edithstein. Today, I'm gonna discuss about nuclear power plant. Should the Philippines embrace nuclear power plant? The question whether the Philippines should adopt nuclear power plant is one that carries both promise and risk. However, I stand here today to argue in favor of nuclear power as a viable solution to our country's energy challenges. First, let us examine the need for reliable energy. The Philippines has one of the highest electricity rates in Southeast Asia, driven by our reliance in important fossil fuels like coal and oil. These resources are not only expensive but also subject to explosive global markets, leaving us in danger to price shocks. Nuclear power, on the other hand, offers a stable and cost-effective alternative. A single nuclear plant can provide large-scale, continuous electricity to power industries, households, and business for decades. Second, nuclear energy is environmentally sustainable. Climate change is a global crisis, and the Philippines is one of its most likely at-risk nations. Yet, our energy sector remains heavily dependent on carbon-emitting fuels. Nuclear power emits virtually no greenhouse gases during operation, make it a cleaner alternative. By combining nuclear energy into our energy mix, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint and contribute to global climate goals. Third, nuclear energy is safe when managed properly. Critics often cite fears of accidents like Chernobyl or Fukushima, but advancement in technology and stricter safety regulation have made modern nuclear plants far safer. Countries like France, South Korea, and Japan have demonstrated that nuclear power can be stronger responsibly. Furthermore, the Philippines can adopt international best practices and invest in robust infrastructure to minimize risk. Finally, nuclear power can drive nation development. The construction and operation of nuclear power plants can create jobs. To acknowledge technological advancement and attract foreign investment, it positions the Philippines as a forward-thinking nation ready to embrace modern solutions for its energy needs. However, I acknowledge the challenges: public hesitation, waste management, and the upfront cost of building nuclear plants. But these are not possible barriers. With proper education campaigns, international cooperation, and transparent policies, we can address that this can concern effectively. In conclusion, the Philippines must rise to the challenges of securing its energy future. Nuclear power offers a pathway to reliable, clean, and affordable energy essential for our country's growth and sustainability. It is not a question of whether we can afford to invest in nuclear power, rather, it's a question of whether we can afford not to. Nuclear power plant in the Philippines serves as a testament to the balance of human ingenuity and God's creation, reminding us to steward both wisdom, humility, and reverence for the Creator God. That's all. Thank you.